Hi everyone, my name is Viridiana Hernandez and this is Participatory Culture and Education. So this is going to be a summary of an article and a couple videos. So the first article is called Confronting the Challenges of Participatory Culture. So it is stated that a participatory culture is a culture with relatively low barriers to artistic expression and civic engagement, strong support for creating and sharing creations, etc. So to me, it's kind of a place where people can express what they feel and can share what they like or what they create on different types of platforms, which include social media. And a key thing that I read was that the forms of participatory culture include affiliations, which are memberships, formal and informal, in online communities, which are centered around various forms of media like Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, etc., and expressions, which is producing new creative forms, and then collaborative problem solving, which is working together in teams, formal and informal, to complete tasks and develop new knowledge, like Wikipedia or reality gaming. And then circulations is shaping the flow of media such as podcasting or blogging. And then there was three main concerns, which included the participation gap, which means there's an unequal access to the opportunities, experiences, skills, and knowledge that will prepare youth for full participation in the world of tomorrow. And the transparency problem, which are the challenges young people face in learning to recognize the ways that media shape perceptions of the world. In the ethics challenge, which is a breakdown of traditional forms of training, of professional training and socialization that might prepare young people for the increasingly public roles as media makers. The next video is called What is Participatory Culture by Henry Jenkins, which he states, participatory culture describes a world where everyone participates, where we take our media in our own hands, where we have the capacity to produce and share media. So in other words, we're able to creatively express what we feel like and use any type of platform to post anything that we want. And he states that this started back in the mid-19th century when the Tory press movement happened, and he said that it kind of paved the way for how things are now and how we're able to express, because that movement caused young people to be able to publish things. And he also says how people are producing things that they love on media because it is what they are passionate about. And the next video is the Maimo on connected learning children and digital media, which she states that she was very surprised how there was lots of diversity in what kids were learning online, and how they're very friendship-driven participation because they want to hang out with their friends online, they want to chat, they want to play like Roblox, they want to play games like that. And she also stated how there's a minority of groups that use the media literacy to start developing more sophisticated kinds of skills. So not that many people did this. And the fourth video was the influence of participatory culture on education, which is stated that it would be a better option to bring technology into schools to guide young people in engagement with these communities instead of kind of like separating from home and school. Like, it would be a better option to incorporate the technology inside school so that teachers can guide them and they can learn how to properly use education. It also states how content should be made accessible to anyone that wants to learn. And my reaction is that I enjoyed reading and watching these articles and videos because the world is now technology based. I want to become a teacher, and I feel like I'm going to need to learn more about technology for my future students. I agree with a lot of what is being said, like how important it is to incorporate technology in school instead of keeping it separate. Life would be so much more easy if children were to be guided and addressed on how to properly use technology instead of scolding them for using